Elephant Army was formed in 2010. I think inspired by Ultras Malaya, which was formed in 2007. It started with a group of about 15 people who love football, come together and wanted to try something different, a different way of supporting our favorite team, which is Pahang, of course. We sat together, we discussed our movement, and then slowly people see it as a interesting way of supporting, and they started coming, joining us. Because you see, initially it started in Kuantan. Kuantan is our capital of Pahang, state capital of Pahang. It started in Kuantan, and then it's spread across the state. I think Pahang got, if I'm not mistaken, around 11 districts. So you imagine how difficult we have to organize a meeting, and then to let people come and join us is very difficult at the beginning. So when people saw that we did something different, they become interested, and eventually we grew at these numbers lah. As you know, Ultras, we don't have a membership. Okay, so people, we cannot tell you a exact number, but I think usually it's around 500 people like that. The Ultras principle is in Malaysia is we started with the Ultras Malaya first, and then when we go back to our state, we form our own Ultras at the state level. So indirectly, the people who are in the Ultras Malaya also is in the Elephant Army. Different between before we joined Ultras is when we came to a football match, we just sit, do nothing, eat junk food, and have some drinks. That's all. I think it's kind of boring. Rather than we join Ultras, we keep chanting, jumping. The atmosphere is very different. some of our chants was inspired by their chants also. We copy the melody and we incorporate our own lyrics. Obviously in Europe also we do follow the Ultras in Italy, in Germany of course. Dortmund is obvious example. But I think the best Ultras in Asia is Southeast Asia would be Indonesia, from Indonesia. We do had a good relationship with every other Ultras except Boys of Streets. Because of the Ultras Malaya, whenever Malaysia is playing, we come together, sit as a team to form the Ultras Malaya. We do maintain a good relationship with the club management. From time to time, we the fan club will sit together, had a meeting with the club management, especially at the home game, to discuss the management also need to hear from the fans also, right? So at that meeting, they call us. We came. We give them our opinion, and then they will take here and there lah. And some other time when the team is performing badly, we will also did some kind of protest against the management. That is usual. With media, we usually don't entertain very much with the media. Ultras culture is obviously underground, but with the evolving of the technology, we cannot escape from that. We have to promote our movement through the social media, and then some of the media will keep focusing on this. On that thing, we cannot do anything, but we do maintain a good relationship. But whenever like they call us for interview in TV or in radio, that one we refuse. With the police, we will usually adhere to their command lah. Some other time when, especially when the team is performing badly, we will do some protest. We will some kind of Ultras protest, and the police will come in, and then basically there's a arrest here and there. Pyrotechnics in Malaysia is actually illegal. Inside the stadium, especially inside the stadium. And actually, it's outside stadium is also illegal, but the Malaysian police they don't disturb us. They don't disturb us whenever we play pyro outside. They don't disturb us. But inside the stadium, that's the time the police will come and analyze us. No, we don't receive money from the club because we raise our own money through merchandise sales, t-shirt, mufflers, and everything. And this, all the choreos and everything is using our own money. And the money we used to buy all the plastics, all the pyro, or obviously all the pyros and everything. Like I told you, we do have front runners. We don't have a hierarchy. We do have front runners from each district come together. But you see nowadays, WhatsApp is the best technology. We discuss everything, the movement in the WhatsApp group. It's about 25 people, the front runners, who will plan everything, who will decide everything. My best personal experience is the win against JDT in the 2014 Malaysian Cup final. At that time, I was in Langkawi, going for holiday with my family, my wife and 2 kids. That was planned earlier, and suddenly the final match was set on the very weekend. After thoroughly discussed with my wife, I decided to flew back to KL, watch the final, and flew back to Langkawi because I left my family in Langkawi. And at that night, Pahang won against JDT. I shed some tears, obviously. My sacrifice is not wasted lah.